आपको सब कुछ संभालना होगा। You will have to handle everything. You will have to handle everything. आपकी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। Nobody can take your place. Nobody can take your place. मैं बैठने के लिए जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I am looking for a place to sit down. I am looking for a place to sit down. तुम मुझसे कुछ भी नहीं छुपा सकते। You can't hide anything from me. You can't hide anything from me. यह किस तरह का सवाल है? What kind of question is this? What kind of question is this? मैं तुम्हारे लिए पानी लेकर आता हूँ। I will go and get water for you. I will go and get water for you. यह कपड़ा घटिया किस्म का है। This cloth is of inferior quality. This cloth is of inferior quality. आपको यह आदतें छोड़नी चाहिए। You should give up this habit. You should give up this habit. मैं कभी कभी वहां जाता हूँ। I go there sometimes. I go there sometimes. आप किससे बात कर रहे थे? Whom were you talking? Whom were you talking? वह उसे कैसे खोजेगा? How will he find him? How will he find him? यह हर चीज की एक सीमा होती है। There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. मैं सुबह देर से उठता हूँ। I wake up late in the morning. I wake up late in the morning. अगली ट्रेन कब आएंगी? When will the next train come? When will the next train come? आप कौन सा साबुन इस्तेमाल करते हो? Which soap do you use? Which soap do you use? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? मुझे फालतू लोगों की जरूरत नहीं है। I don't need useless people. I don't need useless people. मुझे आपके हर फैसले पर विश्वास है। I believe in your every decision. I believe in your every decision. आपको मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get my number from? Where did you get my number from? यह फोन का टच काम नहीं कर रहा है। This phone's touch is not working. This phone's touch is not working. मैं भी यही बात करने वाला था। I was about to say the same thing. I was about to say the same thing. मैं एक बैंक में काम करता था। I worked in a bank. I worked in a bank. क्या तुम जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? तुम इतने खराटे क्यों लेते हो? Why do you snore so much? Why do you snore so much? मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा। I saw with my own eyes. I saw with my own eyes. आप कनाडा से कब लौटे? When did you return from Canada? When did you return from Canada? मैंने ग्रेजुएशन तक पढ़ाई की है। I have studied up to graduation. I have studied up to graduation. आप उनसे आखिरी बार कब मिले थे? When did you meet him last time? When did you meet him last time? कोई भी गलती कर सकता है। Anyone can make a mistake. Anyone can make a mistake. वह नहीं जानता कि कैसे पढ़ा जाए। He doesn't know how to read. He doesn't know how to read. अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है। Nothing has happened so far. Nothing has happened so far. आपके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say. मुझे मैनेजर से मिलना है। I want to meet the manager. I want to meet the manager. कितने लोग आए हैं? How many people have come? How many people have come? आप इतने स्वार्थी कैसे हो सकते हो? How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish? आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है। You have dialed the wrong number. You have dialed the wrong number. वह क्रिकेट खेलने में लगा हुआ है। He is engaged in playing cricket. He is engaged in playing cricket. वह हमेशा अपने फोन में बिजी रहते हैं। He is always busy on his phone. He is always busy on his phone. वह अंग्रेजी बोलना नहीं जानता। He doesn't know how to speak English. He doesn't know how to speak English. इसमें आपका क्या नुकसान है? What is your loss in it? What is your loss in it? मैं वहाँ कई बार गया हूँ। I have been there many times. I have been there many times. तुम मुझसे ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? उसने खुद मुझसे यह कहा था। She herself said this to me. She herself said this to me. मैं यही कहना चाहता था। This is what I wanted to say. This is what I wanted to say. मैं कभी कनाडा नहीं गया। I have never visited Canada. I have never visited Canada. क्या आप कभी कनाडा गए हैं? Have you ever been to Canada? Have you ever been to Canada? तुमने सब कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया। You have screwed up everything. You have screwed up everything. यह स्थान रहने के लिए उपयुक्त नहीं है। This place is not suitable for living. This place is not suitable for living. मैं तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था। I was standing behind you. I was standing behind you. मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम है। I have some urgent work. I have some urgent work. वह लू से पीड़ित है। She suffered from sunstroke. She suffered from sunstroke. यह सिर्फ आपकी कल्पना है। It's just your imagination. It's just your imagination. मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है। I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. आप यहाँ कब तक रहेंगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? मैं लड़ने के मूड में नहीं हूँ। I'm not in mood to fight. I'm not in mood to fight. मैं आपको कॉल करने ही वाला था। I was about to call you. I was about to call you. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. मैं उससे छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of him. I want to get rid of him. आपने किस डॉक्टर से सलाह ली? Which doctor did you consult? Which doctor did you consult? क्या तुमने मेरी अनुमति ली? डिड यू टेक माई परमिशन? डिड यू टेक माई परमिशन? किसी ने मेरा पैसा चुरा लिया। Someone has stolen my money. Someone has stolen my money. वह सुबह से लापता है। He has been missing since morning. He has been missing since morning. आप यहाँ कितने समय से खड़े हैं? For how long have you been standing here? For how long have you been standing here? हम किसी तरह मैनेज कर लेंगे। We will manage somehow. We will manage somehow. मुझे इसे किसी भी तरह करना है। I had to do it anyhow. I have to do it anyhow. क्या मैं आपसे कोई बात पूछूं? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? उसे एक योग्य लड़की की तलाश है। She is looking for a suitable boy. She is looking for a suitable boy. यह मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य नहीं है। This is not the purpose of my life. This is not the purpose of my life. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? तुमने यह जानबूझकर किया। You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. यह उनका आपसी फैसला है। It is their mutual decision. It is their mutual decision. काश मैं कनाडा में होता। I wish I were in Canada. I wish I were in Canada. काश मेरे पास बहुत पैसा होता। I wish I had a lot of money. I wish I had a lot of money. ये मेरी हाल ही की तस्वीरें हैं। These are my recent photos. These are my recent photos. मैं उसके इरादों से वाकिफ था। I was aware of his intentions. I was aware of his intentions. मैं अपना मोबाइल आपके घर भूल आया हूँ। I forget my mobile at your house. I forget my mobile at your house. तुम मेरे लिए क्या उपहार लाए हैं? What gift have you brought for me? What gift have you brought for me? आपके शहर का मौसम कैसा है? How's the weather in your city? How's the weather in your city? वह मेरे कॉल का जवाब नहीं दे रहा है। He is not answering my call. He is not answering my call. जल्दी क्या है? हमारे साथ डिनर पर आइए। What's the rush? Join us for dinner. What's the rush? Join us for dinner. मैं धूप में खड़ा नहीं हो सकता। I can't stand in the sun. I can't stand in the sun. क्या आप कृपया खड़े होंगे? Would you please stand up? Would you please stand up? आप यहाँ पर कितने समय से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Whom are you talking about? Whom are you talking about? क्या आपको अपना लाइसेंस मिल गया? Have you got your license? Have you got your license? मैं कल सड़क पर गिर गया। I fell on the road yesterday. I fell on the road yesterday. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वह झूठ बोल रही है। It seems to me she is telling a lie. It seems to me she is telling a lie. मुझे लगता है कि वह इस तरफ से आएंगे। I think they will come by this way. I think they will come by this way. यह पेन मेरे बैग में कैसे आया? हाउ डिड दिस पेन गेट इनटू माय बैग? हाउ डिड दिस पेन गेट इनटू माय बैग? आप दिन ब दिन दुबले होते जा रहे हैं। यू आर गेटिंग स्लिमर डे बाय डे। यू आर गेटिंग स्लिमर डे बाय डे। क्या मुझे कुछ चीनी मिल सकती है? कैन आई गेट सम शुगर? कैन आई गेट सम शुगर? तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए। यू शुड बी ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट कब मिलेगा? When will I get my passport? When will I get my passport? यह मेरे लिए किसी चमत्कार से कम नहीं है। It's no less than a miracle for me. It's no less than a miracle for me. क्या आप सभी मेरे विचारों से सहमत हैं? Do you all agree with my ideas? Do you all agree with my ideas? मैं इन दिनों अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ। I'm learning English these days. I'm learning English these days. सुबह से बाहर जाने का मन कर रहा है। Feel like going out since morning. Feel like going out since morning. मैं उसे पुकारता रहा पर वह नहीं आई। I kept calling her but she didn't come. I kept calling her but she didn't come.